a small, beautiful garden in front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers like roses, orchids, sunflowers, and lilies in my garden. My grandfather loves gardening and tends to our garden every day. He taught me how to water the plants daily. I play with my pet dog, Jimmy, in the garden every evening. Whenever I go for a vacation with my family, we visit the nurseries in the neighborhood and collect more plant saplings for our garden. My favorite flower is an orchid, and we have different varieties in our garden. Every day, the sun shines bright on the plants, and beautiful butterflies hover above the flowers. There is an apple tree in my garden which bears sweet fruits. Gardening is my favorite hobby, and I love to spend time in my garden.